Excellent. Okay, foodies, so I've got the beautiful, beautiful Italian sausage browned, and I'm setting it aside. And now I'm here in the pan, over here, and I'm browning the chicken breast. Okay, so we're having chicken breast, sausage, peppers, onions over. I think today I'm gonna do rotini. I have rotini I'm preparing, and I wanna get some of this brown really well, this beautiful chicken breast. Let's just get him going. I think I'm gonna give it I have garlic already in my sauce, but I'm gonna add a little garlic powder right on top of this chicken here. There we go. We like garlic here in our house, so you know, you put as little or as much as you like there, okay? And I've already got salt. I got some Italian seasoning going here. So what I want to do is just get these just kind of golden, and then I'm going to pull these out, and then we'll start with our onions and peppers, okay? Because we like to brown things first. First we brown, then we come back with our veggies, get them to soften up, and then put everything together with our sauce and our wine. And we're making this beautiful sausage, chicken, peppers, onions over pasta. Oh my God, it's gonna be delicious. Pete out!